Good morning, Granville County Public Schools teachers. I just wanted to show you the way that Ms. Lesher has organized her Google Classroom to make it easier for parents to know what to do with students first and easier for students as well. So I'm in the classwork stream. She's using topics to show the subject area and the week as well as the topic. And then even within that, so students and parents know what order to go in, the assignments and posts are labeled 1, and then the topic of this assignment or topic 2, 3, 4. Same thing for math, math week 1 and the topic, and then within that, the topics and assignments are labeled with the number 1 and then tells what it is as well. So just something to keep in mind as you're organizing your Google Classroom to make it easier for students and parents to know what order to do things in. I think that really helps them understand how to access your content. Thanks so much.